Depending on your dealership's preference, you may or may not be asked to print forms as part of your sales process. If this is the case, let's look at where you can find the forms to print information you just added to the opportunity. The Print Forms button is located at the top of your screen. The forms library will vary from store to store, so make sure you check with your sales manager on which forms are required to be printed as part of your sales process before continuing. All forms found in the library are editable, which means you can manually add information and then print. But there is one extra step that you need to do before printing, and I'm going to show you what that is next. Let's suppose you need this form, but you wanted to make a change to it before printing. Let's also say that the change was to update the current payment information because that field wasn't a question on the opportunity screen. To do this, you would simply click on the line that needed changing and type that information in the space provided. This next step is super important to maintain the accuracy of this form. Instead of instinctively clicking on print, you need to save these changes by clicking on Save to Notes first, or you lose all changes. Save to Notes means that the form and the changes you made to the form will be saved on the Work Notes section of your opportunity, so you can always have access to it. This step is helpful if you ever need to print the form in the future. Saving it means you won't have to be hunting for missing information later. So always make sure you save to notes before printing the document. The next step is a little annoying, but it sure beats having to re-enter information. You need to retrieve the form from the work notes. So go back to the opportunity, find the form link in the work notes, and click it. Now you can print it. Follow the on-screen prompts, and you're done.